Withdrawing to bank account on Kraken is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account, you first need to convert any cryptocurrency to a supported fiat currency, then link your bank account to your Kraken account and initiate the transfers. Now, the first thing I'm going to need you to do for us to achieve that is to log into your Kraken account. And once you log in, you're going to ensure that you have a linked bank account to your Kraken account. When you go to payment methods, on the payment methods, on the deposit method, you should have a linked account already. So now we're going to go to our home page and we're going to click on withdraw. Now, once we click on withdraw, what we want to withdraw should be US dollar currency because that's what's going to go into our account. But in the case that you have a cryptocurrency, you're going to need to convert that cryptocurrency to US dollar first before depositing into your account. Now, if you have a cryptocurrency in your account, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this dialog box on the right. So you're going to click on sell, and once you click on sell, you should from here you should choose the cryptocurrency that you have that you want to sell. You're going to input the amount that you want to sell, and once you click on here, you should be able to input the amount. If you do not have the amount, this button will be inactive, but with the right amount you can sell. And from here you're going to click on review and you're going to sell now. So you're going to click on review and it's going to go to the selling and you're going to sell all of it, and it's going to give you a US dollar balance. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to withdraw and you're going to choose the cash. On the cash, you're going to see US dollar. You're going to choose that option. And from here, you're going to choose the bank account that you've added to your Kraken account, and that should be under ACH. Now once you choose ACH, you're going to see your bank account at the bottom, the one that you added. And once you click on the amounts that you have available in your cash balance here, you're going to be able to access the review button, and from there you're going to be able to add into your account. Now that's how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.